Could a neutron star fit in your pocket? Sort of the ultimate what if, right? Here's the shocker. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons. That's a mountain in a spoon. So no, your genes don't stand a chance. But the real twist isn't the weight, it's the physics. Neutron stars are city-sized cores of dead stars, squashing more mass than our sun into something about 20 kilometers wide. Inside, atoms are crushed, electrons and protons merge into a sea of neutrons. It's matter squeezed to nuclear density, about 100 million trillion times denser than water. Now imagine teleporting a teaspoon of that into your pocket. First problem, it won't stay neutron star stuff. That exotic matter only exists under insane pressure and gravity. Take it out of the star's grip, and it violently decompresses. Neutrons decay into protons and electrons. Nuclei fly apart. Neutrinos stream out. You don't get a pebble. You get an expanding, radioactive fireball, unleashing more energy than anything you've ever seen. But let's say, magically, it stays stable. At arm's length, its gravity pulls like riding 6 Gs. At pocket distance, centimeters, the pull is tens of thousands of Gs. Tidal forces tear fabric, metal, and you. It would drop straight through the floor, drilling into Earth like a ghostly cannonball, superheating everything in its path. Could it make a black hole? Nope. 1 billion tons sounds huge, but it's nowhere near dense enough on its own to cross the black hole threshold. Its Schwarzschild radius is smaller than an atom. So, can a neutron star fit in your pocket? In size, sure. If you mean a teaspoon. In reality, absolutely not. The only pocket it fits is the crushing gravity of a neutron star itself. If you want a safer scale trick, imagine compressing every human on Earth into a sugar cube. That still isn't as dense as neutron star matter. That's how extreme the universe gets. Mind blown. Good. Space isn't just big, it's intense on every scale.